Good morning, children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your English course book. Sorry, Nana. Open your English workbook. Open your English workbook, volume 2. English workbook, volume 2. What is the difference between a hurricane and a breeze? What is a difference between hurricane and a breeze? Okay, I am writing it. A hurricane is a huge storm. A hurricane is a huge storm which gathers heat and energy through contact with warm ocean water, whereas a breeze is a gentle wind, unlike a storm which is stronger, strong, fast, rude and angry. Here hurricane and also the storm both are very strong, fast, rude and angry, but breeze is a gentle wind. It won't take any damage. Hurricanes occurs in the oceans. In the oceans. Storms occurs on the land, on the earth, and breeze is a gentle wind. It won't give any damage. It won't cause any damage. But storm and hurricane will cause a much damage. Cover your notes. Next. What is a gale? What is a gale? A gale is a strong wind blowing with a a speed of 45 to 90 kilometer per hour. A gale is also A gale also means a gale also means a noisy outburst. A noisy outburst. A gale is a strong wind blowing with a speed of 45 to 90 km per hour. A gale also means a noisy outburst. Complete your notes, Nana. Next. Amma, I am rubbing the first answer. Next. What are hurricanes? How are they different from the typhoons and cyclones? Hurricane. A hurricane is a hurricane is a huge storm. Hurricanes gathers gather heat and energy through contact with the warm ocean water. A hurricane is a huge storm. Hurricanes gather heat and energy through contact with the warm ocean water. How are they different from typhoons and cyclones? Hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons. Typhoons are the same weather phenomenon. But are named differently. In different places. Hurricane, cyclones and typhoons are all same. Three are occur in the oceans. Okay? We call them differently in different places. We call them with different names in different places. Okay? But three are same only. Next. Name two recent cyclones that hit India. Name two different cyclones. Laila cyclone and Hudud cyclone. These are the two cyclones that occur in India. Laila and Hudud. Complete your notes soon. I'm rubbing a third answer now. Next, fifth one. Research what are the precautions one should take during or before a cyclone. Before a cyclone, what are the precautions we have to take? Before a cyclone, before cyclones occurs, prepare with the disaster supplies such as a flashlight, extra batteries, candles, first aid kit, emergency dry items, dry food items, drinking water, essential medicines, cash and study shoes. They have to arrange before the occurring of a cyclone. Name the planets which feature the fastest planetary winds in the solar system. Saturn and Neptune are the planets which features the fastest planetary winds. Saturn and Neptune are the planets Which feature featured the fastest planetary winds in the solar system. In the solar system. How does wind aid the movement of ships? Wind aids the movement of ship, movement of the sailing ships, with the help of sails. The sails may control the wind movement, and with the help of sails, the ships move. The ship sails in the water. Complete your notes. Rubbing. Complete so. I'm rubbing the first answer. Take next page. Take a next page. The first column has a list of verbs. In this first column, the verbs are given. The present tense form of verb means verb first form is given in the first column, and fill in the blank given in the second column with the past tense form of verb. In the second column, fill in the blanks are given. How do we have to fill it? With the verb second form. You have to fill up the blank with the second form of the given verb. Here first form is given now. We have to fill up the blank with the second form of verb. And next third column. Then use the same verb in any tense of your choice. In the third column, one is done for you. In the second column, what we have to do? We have to write the own sentences of your choice in any tense. In present tense you can write, in past tense also you can write. That is your wish. Okay? Now, give, already given. Give is in the first column. Ram gave me a book for my birthday. Amma gave, already first one is given to you. Now second one, buy. First one is done for you, know. Second one is buy. My uncle dashed a doll for my sister. We have to fill up the blank with the past form of buy. You have to fill up the blank with the past form of given verb. What is the verb is given? Buy. What is the past form of buy? Bought. Past form is bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Now you have to sentences. You have to make a sentences of your choice in any tense, in present tense or past tense. I bought a chocolate. I bought a chocolate. I bought a chocolate. Next, second one is pass. Our past form of pass we have written. Priya dashed the ball to her friend. Past second form is passed. P-A-S-S-E-D, passed. My sister passed her SSC in first class grade. First grade, madam. Pass, passed. My sister passed her SSC in first grade. Next, make. I dash a paper boat. Second form of make is made. Made first form. Sorry, make first form. Made a second form. My mother makes a cake on my birthday. Makes means she will prepare. Not prepared. On my birthday she will prepare. That is our choice. We can write in present tense or past tense. That is our choice. My mother makes a cake on my birthday. On my birthday. Sell. Sell. The past form of sell is sold. Sold. Sell. Sold. Joy dashed me his bicycle. Sold. He sold me his bicycle to me. What he sold? They sold their beautiful house. Beautiful house for us. To us. Sorry. They sold their beautiful house to us. Complete your notes. Next. I'm reading first and second one. Bring. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. Second form is brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. We dash some toys for Arnav. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought is a past form of bring. We brought up a lot of. We brought a lot of playing things. Things to the park. The park to play. To play. To play. Here we write. We brought a lot of playing things to play. Next, show. The past form of show is showed. Veena dash me her holiday photos. Showed. S-H-O-W-D. Showed. He showed me the way. He showed me the way to go to the market. He showed me the way to go to the market. To go to the market. He showed me the way to go to the market. Next, offer. Offer. A past form of offer is offered. She dashed me a seat in the bus. Offered. Offered. I offered prayers to God. Prayers to God. Amma, complete your notes. Amma, today's class is completed. Remaining bits I will give in the tomorrow's class. Okay, bye.